Ano ba yung window dressing na yan, bro? Moses, ano ba yung...
Yeah.
Ano ba sa palagay mo yan? Yeah.
Feel free to add na lang, JC, and pag may
Sure.
May nalagpasan na.
Surprise ka naman. Joke lang, bro. Kaya mo yan. Sige, go.
Pero technically, window dressing is that institution or investors, ito yung mga, let's say, professional investors and traders na nililipat nila yung pera nila from high-risk stocks to low-risk stocks. So what do I mean by that? Let's say they're investing dun sa mga growth stocks, yung wala pa technically yung value or yung creation ng value is in the future pa. So they're gonna put their money from that growth stock to value stocks, which is yung PSEI natin, yung mga blue chip stocks. So technically that's parang the very gist of it. It's of de-risking lang from higher risk stocks to lower risk stocks na provides value.